Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode we will be learning how to block someone on Bigo Live. If someone's bothering you, sending spam messages, or you just want to keep your experience safe and positive, then first of all, open the Bigo Live application on a device and log into your account. Now go ahead and find the user you want to block. There are two main ways to find the person. You can go ahead and tap on the chats icon at the bottom right and select the contact that has been bothering you or you want to block, or you can also find them from their profile. If the person is in your live room or your feed, tap on their profile picture to open up their profile page. You can also search for the person by tapping the search icon at the top right and entering their username or their ID. And once you find their profile ID, you can then tap on the three dots at the top right corner and click on block in the pop-up. Confirm by tapping block once again and you'll be able to block the contact. Once you block them, the person can't message you, join your live stream, or interact with your profile. You also won't see their content or comments. You can unblock them anytime by going to your settings. So that's how you easily block someone on Bigo Live. This is a great way to protect your privacy and maintain a positive streaming environment. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.